And some of the emerging electrical energy generation devices, deal with fuel cell and these photovoltaic applications. And from that standpoint, we'll conclude. One thing is there's probably about 5 or 6 pages of URL listings of the companies, not only throughout that are mentioned throughout here, but also a capsule summary which includes the part 1. So if you're looking for contact points in one place, you have not only the extended part 2 applications URLs, websites, but you have in addition I composited in or put in the part 1, so you'd have it all in one place, slide-wise, if you needed to refer to it or use it for future internal purposes. And, as we took off in part 1, plastics and electricity, a true dream team. Plastics are outstanding insulators. It heralded the triumphal entry of polymers in the development process of electrical and electronic devices. Yet, plastics in general, as we've seen, from the material side, and we'll see from the application side, they're much more versatile, and they offer many possibilities beyond insulation. Namely, when suitably modified, they can also conduct electricity. These matchless plastics property balances together with design and processing methods often provide, economical solutions, that justify their supremacy in the electrical and electronic market. New resins, additives, fillers have been developed in thin wall and high temperature molded parts. And again, these things come into play. The compounds made of high temperature plastics, thermoplastics, such as liquid crystals, for example, LCPs or polyether sulfones or polyether imides, are used in a whole host of areas. On the crystalline side, for example, these LCPs and polyether sulfones go into molded interconnected devices, which we'll touch on a little bit later. With the, and again, with the overall driver there, with the continuing drive for higher circuit density and very high speed data processing, the search for these new materials for use in microelectronic applications is really intensified. As we step into the first